Hello my cookies, today I'm going to show you how I make pepper steak. Let's cook. Here I have a little over 1 pound of sirloin steak that I have thinly sliced. We're going to add that to a bowl. To that I'm going to add in some onion powder, Chinese 5 spice, a tiny splash of sesame seed oil, soy sauce, some minced garlic, and lastly, some baking soda, not powder soda. This is going to help tenderize the beef. Now mix it together really well, and then we're going to allow this to marinate at room temperature for 20 to 25 minutes. While the meat marinates, I went ahead and sliced my bell pepper and onions. I'm using red, yellow or gold, and green bell peppers. You know I love color. And some onions, and I just thinly sliced them. Now we can make the brown sauce, starting with soy sauce. Next, some beef stock or broth, a little ground ginger, sugar, and some cornstarch. And you want to whisk it all together well. Now in a wok or a skillet, you want to add in some vegetable oil and get it good and hot, and then add in your steak, and you're going to stir fry it for about a minute or two until it's cooked to your level of doneness. When the steak has browned, remove it and then add in those bell peppers. Sprinkle a little bit of salt to get them to release that moisture and saute them alone for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding in your onions. Once those onions have picked up a little bit of color, just go ahead and pour in that sauce. Allow it to simmer for about a minute and it will thicken up because of that cornstarch. So once that sauce thickens, go ahead and add the steak back in. Mix it together well and give that steak a minute to come back up to temp, and then cookies, it is time to eat. I served it with jasmine rice, but plain old white rice will work just fine as well. And cookies, that is it for my pepper steak recipe. If you want the measurements, ingredients, all of that good stuff, it will be in the description box. Just click that link. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. It's time to eat, so until next time, be blessed.